if I ask you, sa mga sinabmit na documents ng Vice President, and I will, for purposes of summarizing, purchase of information, 14 million. Reward payment, 10,050,000. Rental of safe house, 11 days nag-rent ang Office of the Vice President ng safe houses from December 21 to 31. 16 million in 11 days. Divided by the number of days, 2 million a day ang binayad ng Office of the Vice President para lang sa rental ng safe house. Tama?
May I refer po to the document po?
Refer to the document. It's in front of you. Okay. Meron pa rin mga ibang expenses. Meron nakalagay sa summary, payment of reward, various, 34,857,000. Meron din, purchase supplies, 11,813,000. Payment of rewards, Mr. Witness, 24 million. No, 10 million. Payment of rewards. Rewards in medicine, in kind. 24,930,000, Mr. Witness. Payment of rental of transport vehicles related, allegedly, to confidential activities. 10 million pesos. Tables and chairs, 500,000 pesos. Desktop computers and printers, 3 million pesos. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Pwede pong paulit ng enumeration kasi I
Ito
don't have
ay
reference
nasa
kanina.
notice of
Suspension.
and your tabulation.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you confirm, Mr. Ramil?
Yes, Your Honor po.
Okay. Based on Section 1 of the Joint Circular. I-translate ko na lang. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Irregular. I'm sorry. This is my last question. Medyo limited ang aking Tagalog mo or Pilipino. Ang pagkaintindi ko sa irregular kaduda-duda. Tama? Kaduda-duda, irregular. Counsel for Respondent, if you can help me, it's in this translation, I'd happily welcome your translation. Unnecessary sa Pilipino, unnecessary, hindi kailangan.
Irregular is hindi palagi, hindi kinagawian. Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Irregular. Kasi
Counsel
ang alam
for
ko,
Respondent, you agree? Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Yes, Your Honor, I agree.
Ay. Kasi ang nalaman lang natin the other day is unusual. Ngayon naman, irregular. Hindi
pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan. Unnecessary. Hindi kailangan.
Your Honor, I with all due respect again, if you may just ask the question na lang po.
Sandali. Preliminary, Your Honor. Preliminary.
Because this is already,
Your Honor,
I think we
please.
all know what's happening here.
In any event, Your Honor, give me some leeway here. This is the last question before we break up for lunch. And considering
We ask for the ruling of the
the
court, Your Honor.
victory of Ayala, Your Honor,
Let
we're all in a
counsel-
happy mood.
Let counsel wind up with this, with
This
her
is the
direct
last question,
counsel
Your
for
Honor.
Respondent. Let's give her some
Okay.
leeway.
I will-
We submit.
Unnecessary.
Let's help in translating more accurately.
Yes. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan. Excessive, labis. Extravagant.
Maluho.
Oho.
Ang nakalagay dito, bongga kaday. Extravagant. Bongga, extravagant. At lastly, unconscionable. Sabi na Attorney Virgil, kasuklam-suklam. Unconscionable. Okay, Mr. Witness, sa binasa natin, Section 1, saan, if at all, itong mga binasa ko, saan babagsak ito?
Question, objection, Your Honor. Question calls for a conclusion.
Okay.
In relation to his observation only, not as to the conclusion of law, given that the AUM is not a final disposition
We submit.
of the matter at hand.
In relation to your observation and based on the audited documents, will it fall, if any, under any of these enumeration?
Yes, ma'am. Under po the irregular expenditures.
Irregular.
Dahil irregular po siya dahil hindi po siya compliant or hindi po siya hindi po siya compliant with the provisions of the Joint Circular 2015-01, which is an issuance po of the COA, the DBM, the DILG, the GOCC, GCG, and the Department of National Defense rather.
Okay, and my last question to you, Mr. Witness.